I love this. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing. All the corners, every edges. Look at that. Can you believe it? When we first started, look at all this. Oh my. I am amazed. So as you can see, the Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser really works. It really works on the stainless steel, as it says. And look at that. It is clean. Like spotless. The inside, make sure the handles, every corner, every inch, all the little edges here that we're not cleaning, all clean. Look at that. Look at how shiny it is. This is amazing. Alright. Look at this. Look at how shining bright everything is. Look at the bottom. Look at this now. Very shining, very bright. Look, the bent bottom of your pot just look brand new. And that's how you do it.